Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Roadtrippers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And if you scroll down at the more section, click on the support button. And then scroll down and click on the FAQ button. And as you can see, there are three categories, so just click on the gray button next to the one that you're interested in. And as you can see, in the general section there are 14 articles, so click on the purple button to see them all. And for example, if you're interested in your Roadpass account, then just click on that button, and you will be able to see a very detailed answer as well as a video helping. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.